got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up.
My car never stayed that clean.
Especially after such a long week.
Aw, shit. Here we go again.
Back at it again.
Flight test number 1. Straight into Dylan's car. If you get good enough at it, we'll roll our windows down and you can try flying it through them.
No.
Should I hold it in the palm of my hand and you just take off?
Sure.
Off she goes.
Fuck me, you got us fucked up. You got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me.
Play with, she'll fuck them up. Don't look. Don't turn around. Whatever you do, do not turn around and look at her. Then fuck out of here, dude! Don't look at her. I can't see! Turn around!
What? Dylan doesn't want to lead.
I don't either.
Again. Why do I have to lead?
Fuck, okay, fine. What's going on today, Mr. Philbeck?
Okay, so top of the morning to you.
Morning.
It is
1 o'clock.
It's 12:45. We slept in. We chilled today. Right now we're headed to the show. It starts at 1. It'll take us about 30 minutes to get there. But we're not too worried about it. We're just casual today, man.
Ceramic coat on that thing.
2 days.
One for 2 days?
Yeah.
45.
Me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up.
Who that? Baby, I will beat your motherfucking ass. White shoes, no cap. Boogie boogie in the motherfucking bag. Yeah, what it is, what it do? Press, booty got the fucking juice. Come cut, come food. Polar bear with the Iceman bruise.
Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up.
On fucking blitz, so I mean, shit, balling on me.
Okay, so we left the show. We paid $45 for both days, which I'm sorry, Slammedenuff, but that is really overpriced for the show. That is kind of ridiculous. We came to Quaker State and Lube, which is a restaurant down here that's car themed, and they have an actual like overflow parking area, which is absolutely huge. But I think it combines with like TGI Fridays and this go-kart place over here. But we parked under this bridge, waiting for a bunch of the Veloster guys to show up that Dylan's friends with, and I'm just gonna put my gimbal together and get a few shots of my car before they get here.
Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up. Fuck me, you got us fucked up.
Shawty looking good, tell that bitch come on over. Drop top, drop, slop, walk on my boner. Boogie got the wood, got the grains in my cauldron. Boogie doogie, oogie, got the boogie when I'm rolling. If you really want a motherfucker, pull up on me. Witchcraft kiss, boogie, all ravioli. When the bonus fuck with your eyes all swollen. Can't take a shit cause your guts all
Traction! Traction control! He said he's gonna dump clutch. I know he won't. Traction control, turn it off. Come on, for the after movie. Yes, he did.
Car is perfect.
It really is, Liam. You did good. It looks good. I'm glad you made it here.
Fuck till you got us fucked up, till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up, till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up, till you got us fucked up.
Yesterday, and we bought groceries. We're gonna cook hamburgers and bratwurst tonight, and we went back to the store because we had to get cheese. But we got the cheese, and it was my idea to get bacon for the burgers, so I'm gonna cook that. But we don't have a frying pan here, and this is the biggest pan that we got, but it's relatively about the same size. It's just deep, so that's kind of awkward. But everybody else is out here cooking burgers. How's it going?
Like this, and then like after you have the fluid on back here, you can touch it with the flame so you can light it.
Don't feel comfortable doing that then.
Why?
Like the paper. Why'd you back up? Oh, now it's not gonna work.
Yeah, not good.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Okay, drop back.
Do I need to add some more fuel? I feel like I should.
Yes.
Would you stop backing up after you tell me to do stuff with the fire?
Yep. Alright, now spray some over here so it comes over here. Now, go ahead and somehow get these on there.
See, this is what...
They're not hot yet, just do it.
This one's on fire!
It's gotta cook the shit off. Yeah, that one underneath. That'll cook the shit off. You have to wait for
this one's on fire too! I broke it! I heard an LS. Go check. Oh! I can't do anything!
Here, take that. You need this?
Where do I put it once it's done?
What's your name? Tony! That's a fucking stupid name! What's your name? Ezekiel! Fuck you! No, fuck you!
Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up. Fuck till you got us fucked up.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't squeeze it as you do it.
Why was it coming out?
It does come out. Look.
That was a great lesson from Chef Dylan.
Dad.
Hi.
Hey. So cool. You hear that? A lot of horsepower.